Hey, hi, AD. This is Jaaved Jaaferi. Welcome to my home. Well, I've been a Bandra boy all my life. So I was here for 40 years. I shifted to Lokhandwala because my kids were growing up and I needed more space. And then at some point, my children insisted, my elder two kids, Meezaan and Alaviaa, they insisted that we shift to Bandra. Now, my problem with Bandra was that, now with the amount of construction happening in Bandra, it's like most of the buildings where you open your window and you go like, Bhai Sahab, shakkar hai kya? But then when I saw this place, I just fell in love with it. And when you come home, you just want to breathe a bit. And I just felt that this home really worked for all of us. So yeah. So like I mentioned, so this is a combination of three varying sensibilities.
One thing that we've all agreed on, because the textured walls, the look that we've given on all the walls, which runs throughout the house.
The first thing when we shifted here, all of them, we have to have a dining table.
I think everyone sits on the dining table and eats, and I think it's taken away a bad habit of everyone eating in their rooms or watching TV and eating.
I used to watch TV.
So that has completely been eliminated. Everyone sits on the dining table and eats.
But now I watch reels.
Yeah, so people they put their phone there and look who's talking. He was doing this last night.
He does this all the time.
You did this last night.
All of us have our own little niches, areas where we sit and enjoy. So for me, I like this space. I like the openness of the space. I can look out. I have access to my books. I watch some television if I need to, when I need to. And I can stretch my legs out here. So, I just feel very open and nice.
I would really like to show you guys another favorite part of this house for me. Actually, I'll show you. Come. So this is it. This is where I spend most of my time. And actually, nobody ever comes in here. I have a massive collection of music CDs. I love my carpet. Like sometimes I'll just chill here, read books here. Or if I'm reading a script or there's some homework that I have to do related to my film, actually it all goes on over here. Finally, I think when we moved into this house, this is the first time I have my room. My sister has her own space and I don't have to fight for the closet or fight for the bathroom. But old habits, they die hard. So now, let's go in trouble, Alaviaa, and I'll show you her room.
Do you know how to knock? Hi guys, welcome to my room. I chose this room because I kind of wanted a room where I could have enough light where I can shoot content. I have space here, which I really wanted, especially when I'm getting ready and all my clothes are kind of just all over the floor. I actually like to sit like this wherever I am. So this is actually really comfy when I'm doing my makeup. So apart from, making content in this room, I love playing Fortnite, which I guess a lot of people don't know. So I have my PlayStation here. As much as I love this space, I spend way too much time here. So let me show you the terrace.
एक कहावत है कि जितने बड़े घर होते हैं लोग उतने दूर होते जाते हैं. Which somehow, because you don't know somebody's home or not. There should be, I feel, a certain space where you come together. So in my life, this is the fourth house I've moved to. What I really love about this house is it's got a great energy, this space. And the house is four walls, the home is people, love, sharing, caring. So thank you, Nidhi. Thank you so much for letting me share my home with you.